Hey guys and girls, and in this video I'm going to tell you about how to install MyEclipse software on your system. And currently I'm using Windows 8, and when I come to my system, we'll be having a bunch of softwares over here: Eclipse Z Galileo, Eclipse Z JE Helios, and I'll just go with MyEclipse 7 here because it is easy to install. So when I click on my Eclipse software, you can just see that you must have a Java 1.5 or Java 1.6 GRE installed on the system. So in order to install the MyEclipse, you must have a Java runtime system on your system. So for that, what I'm going to do is I click OK here, and it will be automatically redirected to the Oracle website where you can download your Java. And I'll just click this application so that it will be automatically install JRE on my system, Java runtime environment on my system. Okay. Now close this, and I'll just close that, and I'll just click once again Java runtime system. I prefer the parse cannot access the file because it is being used by another process. Okay, here is Java setup has been came. I will accept this, and installing Java, this may take a few minutes. So Java is going to be installed on my system automatically. Okay, after this, so why we use this MyEclipse is actually an integrated development environment in which you'll be developing many applications like J2EE applications, Hibernate, struts. These are all developed in this MyEclipse software. You just click finish, and now click on this MyEclipse installer, and you'll be getting pop-up. So MyEclipse Enterprise Workbench is going to be installed on my system, right? So why I'm telling this basic video is a basic tutorial about this, as many students don't know how to install, and some students may be having the problems on installing the software. So in an easy manner, what you have to do is you have to download a MyEclipse 7 software, and you also download Java runtime environment automatic, that is Windows, for Windows here. And when you click on that, it will be automatically installed on your system, so you don't have to go again as we do in we first, if in order to install Java on your system, you in your lab programs, in your lab classes and all, you'll be going for command line, and after that you'll go for my computer properties, environment variables, and from there you'll be changing the path. So it's a hectic task. You don't have to go for that. So you can just remember this, install this JRE 6 Windows, and now just click launch here. Okay, so my Eclipse Enterprise Workbench will be going to be launched now. Okay, so whenever you first install the software, your default workspace will be called, you have to select your default workspace. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, my default workspace will be Raj. I'll just click OK. So in the in the E drive my default location will be saved. That is, whatever I am going to do the project in this, that will be saved in MyEclipse. That will be saved in E drive / Raj. I hope you got it. And it is going to load workbench, and this is your welcome screen, MyEclipse welcome screen. And here you'll be having many options like OU, what's new, samples, tutorials, and this is the workbench. So I just want to go with MyEclipse. I just create new. Okay, so go for file. This is, as this is trial period, I got your trial 30 days period is gone. You just close this and go to here, file, new, and what project you want to do, that project you define here. Suppose I want to do a project, web service project, Java project, EJB project, enterprise Java beans, enterprise application project, like this. You'll have many projects here. I'll just click on this project, new project, and here I type as Java. I'll just go with Java project here. Click OK, and here you click your project name as something like explore all. So here you can just see that my default directory is E drive Raj / explore all, right? So use default JRE, currently com.sun.java JRE Windows 7. That is which we installed here, and this is all the same. And just click next here. Don't click finish. You just click next, and here you'll be having this is your project, right? Explore all is your project. And if you want to add if you want in Java, you might be having many you might want many soft packages and all to be installed. So you can just go to these projects. You can just go for libraries, and if you want to install any jars, because in Java, whenever you are working with Java, many jar files has to be required. So in order to add jar files, you can just add jar files and find the location jar or zip files and click OK. Okay, like that. And if you want to add a library, that is a library is a set of files, all the jar files or some other files, source files and all. If you want to include that, you can just add library, and in this library you will be getting many libraries. Just click on user library and click next, and in user libraries you can just click user libraries and go for new library name, like that. You can just import from your locations from your computer if there are any libraries like that. Okay, I hope you got it. And next thing is okay, I'll just click this. So next is order and export, and this is where you will be exporting your project into another time. So I'll just go with source, and I'll just click finish now. Okay, so the kind of project associated with Java perspective, it offers package explorer type highlights in Java connection. We want to open this perspective only. So the type of perspective what you want is Java perspective, right? So I'll just click here, yes. See here, and you'll be having many things here. So this is what you'll be coding here, and this is the project package explorer where you get source file, JR system library. Because my library is I said that JRE is required for Eclipse, so here I installed JRE automatically. It was installed in my system. And source, here you are going to write new files. Suppose I want to create a JSP file, I'll just click here new, what file you want. I'll just click if I want to add a package, I can add package. If I want to add class, I can add a class. If I want a file, I'll just click file, and I'll name it as file name as explore all.jsp. So since I'm creating a Java project, I'll be writing the code in by using the technology JSP Java Server Pages. Just click finish. Okay, so just click this yes, finish. Okay, it's just loading. So like that you will be able to create projects in JSP. That's what I covered, only basic part, and stay tuned with next video.